Black people checking in. We ain't been a bit today. It has been a hell of a day so far. Can't really just knock the city. I ain't gonna blame my misfortune on that, but had a little situation at this hotel that I had reservations at, man. Tell me why I get kicked out the fucking hotel for my cat. You know what I mean? They didn't have that on there, and I seen people walking dogs. The lady come in there and do our room service, and I guess went up there and said we had a cat. They kicked us out, non-refundable. I'm like, my man, this wasn't on the paperwork, but it was in the fine print, motherfucker. So I didn't see it, but needless to say, I signed the paper. I get kicked out the room, no refund. And it was like, I'm like, well, what about the dog situation? Well, we're gonna look into that. So luckily I'm a Windows member, so I called and put my points in, you know, and let them know what happened and put a complaint because it was really a raw deal, you know what I mean? I didn't know, you know what I mean? I would have paid the extra or got another room. So I had to go to another room, buy another reservation, spend money that I wasn't planning on spending, but you know, it is what it is, you know, can't change that. But I can't lie to you, man. It was a little discouraging, bro. It was a little discouraging the way that they did everything. So I don't know. I wasn't expecting that, you know what I mean? But other than that, like I said, we went and checked out one house. It was neat. We got another one to go look at, and baby got her little job interview right now. So that should go good. But needless to say, man, like I say, started off a little rough, but I believe it'll turn out right. HogOn.